Good morning and welcome back. The little message on my tea today says the difference between a flower and a weed is a judgment. And that is how today's gonna go. Welcome back to another skincare Sunday. I am gonna play around with some skincare for you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Julia. Every Sunday we chat about a new skincare brand, new skincare products, my favorite skincare products, or just unique ways to kind of share skincare with you guys and make it more fun. So today I have one of my favorite brands right here. Not only are the products amazing, but the people that work for the brand are amazing as well. And this brand is Pur Lisse. I actually worked with Pur Lisse very many times, and I have worked with them very many times in the past. We actually created like an influencer kit about a year or two ago. So I did do a video on that influencer kit. They come out with kits all of the time. I wish I could say that that kit is still available, but all of the stuff that was inside of that kit that I created with a bunch of influencers with them is available. I do have a video on it if you're curious, but we're going to be just doing a skincare routine using Pur Lisse products. They have some really cool products since launching that kit with them. They've expanded their line a good amount, so I'm going to talk to you about their products today and why I like them, what they're good for, who they're good for, and yeah, that's that. Let's jump into it. First things first, we have a cleanser. This is the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones, and soothes, all that fun stuff. So it's kind of like a cleanser, toner in one. I definitely recommend this for someone with sensitive skin. It is a very calming cleanser. It doesn't have any like exfoliation beads in it. So it's just gonna cleanse your makeup off, get everything, all the dirt, oil, and yucky stuff off of your face. Now we're gonna move on to masking. I have a couple of masks here. This is the Blue Lotus Mud Mask and Exfoliating Mask. This mask has been around for some time, and it's going to gently resurface, detoxify, brighten, tighten, smooth, and it's gonna do that all in just about 10 minutes. So this is definitely something, and I think the entire Pur Lisse line is gonna be something that's really great for sensitive skin. So we're just gonna wait for that to dry. So Blue Lotus is actually one of the main ingredients in most of Pur Lisse's products. If I'm not mistaken, the owner of the brand, Jen, who is such a sweetheart, I believe it was her grandmother or her mother or just a family member that would always use this secret ingredient in a bunch of products, and she kind of took it and went with it. I've never really seen anyone use Blue Lotus in any of their products, so I think that's really awesome that they kind of have their own thing that they're built off of. Jen actually was part of the Power Rangers series. She was one of the villains in Power Rangers, which is really, really cool, and she felt like the caking on all of the makeup, the filming and studio type makeup that was being, you know, just put on her consistently day after day was really taking a toll on her skin. So that's why she created Pur Lisse. Pur Lisse also has a sister brand called Yensa Beauty. And once Yensa Beauty comes out with more products, you guys, specifically for skincare, because I know that they already have one or two products that are focused on skincare, you guys will see a one brand tutorial talking more about Yensa and why Yensa was created and all that fun stuff. But today is all about Pur Lisse, so I'm just gonna wait a couple more minutes for this to dry on my face, and then we're gonna take it off and move on to the next mask. Okay, our face is nice and clean and that mask is off. We're gonna move on to the second mask. This is the Marshmallow, the Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel Off Mask. Still in the box, brand new. I've never tried this before. It's pretty new, so I'm gonna try this with you for the first time on camera. Pur Lisse has never come out with a peel-off mask. They're usually known for their sheet masks and the mud mask that I just used, so this is gonna be interesting. Ooh, it smells really good. Wow, look at it. It's actually so pretty. Not that I thought it wasn't gonna be pretty, just like it's sparkly. Wow. Do you guys see that? It's gonna fall. Look at it. So this mask is supposed to energize, tighten our skin, Got lots of antioxidants in it, all that good stuff. My only beef with peel off masks is that it's not even when you peel them off, they kind of hurt a little bit. I think for me, it's they take forever to dry. As always, I got 101 things to do, so we'll just do those 101 things while we wait for this guy to dry. All right, I'm gonna go do some adult things while I wait for this guy to dry, and I'll be back to peel it off. Guys, I'm finally back. This mask did take a really long time to dry, but I had a couple things to do, so it was totally fine. We're just gonna take it right off. Oh, I can already tell this is not gonna be a pleasant one. Hold on, one moment. Oh, huh. All right, well, if you don't like pain, you might not like this one. Ah. Well, say goodbye to all the peach fuzz on my face. And I'd suggest not getting it so close to your eyes. Whoa. Wow, I haven't used a really strong peel off mask like this in a really long time. SOS. Give me a moment. Oh yeah, peach fuzz is gone, my friends. Peach fuzz is definitely gone. Oh my god. I've never seen a mask take off this much peach fuzz in my life. I am a hairy bitch. Holy crap. Safe to say that my face is probably the softest I've ever felt my face in my entire life, but it does burn just a little bit, especially around this area of my eyes. So, suggestion, don't put this anywhere near your eyes. Not even close, like, I wouldn't even say like, I'd say like here. Thank God for the next one. So the next mask we're gonna use is the Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask. It's moisturizing and soothing, and Lord knows I need this after that peel off mask. Oh boy. You smell really good. This feels so good right now. All right guys, I'm gonna leave this on for a good amount of time to really soothe and moisturize my face, and then I'll be back. I'm just gonna take all the serum from that mask and just rub it back into my skin. My skin definitely feels a lot better now. You can see that it's a little irritated right here in this area, but it feels fine. The next product, we have the Blue Lotus Serum. This is a brightening serum. It's gonna help with fine lines and really just brightening the skin. I'm just gonna add a little drop of this to our skin. The serum from the mask is basically like a serum. That's why we rub it in after. That's why we keep it on. So you don't have to go to that next step, but if you want additional brightness and more moisture, the serum feels really, really nice on the skin. It's not like too watery. Then we have the eye cream. This is going... Is that necessary? Then we have an eye cream. This is going to brighten, firm, depuff. If you deal with puffy eyes, I definitely recommend keeping your eye creams in the fridge. Let me tell you, my mini fridge in my bathroom has done me wonders. Next we have moisturizer. I have two moisturizers right here. I have the Blue Lotus Broad Spectrum SPF 30 moisturizer, and then I have the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. This is more of a lighter moisturizer, and this is more of kind of like your classic, little bit of a heavier moisturizer, but not too heavy, especially even if you have oily skin, it'll work. This one just has SPF and this one does not. So if you feel like your skin is super oily and it's not dry at all, I would definitely go with the Watermelon Energizing Balm. And then if you are having a long day, you're gonna be out in the sun, you're gonna be doing some stuff, then I would recommend the SPF 30. I'm not really leaving my house today, so I'm going to put on the Energizing Aqua Bomb because I feel like we really hydrated our face with the serum and the mask and everything else that we used. So the watermelon and cucumber in this moisturizer is gonna help moisturize our skin, and then there's aloe vera for inflammation, and there's also white tea, which is gonna help protect our skin. And I wouldn't say that this is like a water cream, I would say this is more of a gel feeling, but it smells absolutely amazing. Finally, guys, the final step, of course, lip balm. This is the Purlisse Daily Lip Nourisher with mango and shea butter. It is amazing. I've used up so many of these lip balms, and I usually keep it in my bathroom so I can nourish and just make my lips nice and plump. And it feels really good. It's not sticky at all, which I really like about it. And it's gonna feel really smooth, almost kind of like a lip balm meets an oil, but not too oily where you feel like it's sliding all over your face. So this lip balm is gonna be the perfect finish for this routine. All right, guys, that's it for this skincare routine using only Purlisse products. Just keep in mind, whenever I do these one brand skincare routines or any type of skincare routine, I urge you to kind of create your own skincare routine. This is not necessarily meant to be used all together per se. Definitely, if you want to, you totally can, but I wanted to just kind of create all of these skincare videos so I can show you guys certain products. If you're looking for a new product from Purlisse, well, here are all the ones that I have and the ones that I like and the ones that I'm trying out. Or if you like a specific ingredient, like if I was doing a video on just an ingredient of Blue Lotus and you were looking for a skincare item that adds more Blue Lotus to your routine, then I would urge you to pick maybe one or two items from the routine that I've created for you guys. But just a more interesting way to kind of discover skincare and explore it a little bit more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you thought it was informational, and I hope you learned a little bit more about Purlisse and some of their products. Let me know, what are your favorites down below? What are you looking to try? What do you use in your routine from Purlisse right now? And what skincare brands do you want to see in the next Skincare Sunday? Love you guys so much. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen. Click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos, including my Skincare Sundays that happen every single Sunday. And check out all my other videos right here on the side. Love you guys to the moon and back, and I will talk to you really soon.